Investing in the best dash cam front and rear can be a game changer for your vehicle's safety and security. These dual camera setups provide comprehensive coverage, capturing both the road ahead and any incidents at the rear. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best dash cam front and rear you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Meet the Redtiger F7N Plus, a guardian on the road that transcends mere recording. With 4K plus 1080p dual recording capabilities, it unveils a world of clarity, capturing minute details like road signs and vehicle plates, vital for unforeseen incidents. Its expansive 170-degree front and 140-degree rear angles eradicate blind spots, offering a comprehensive view in crucial moments like collisions and providing irrefutable evidence. This dashcam becomes a beacon in the dark with superior night vision, featuring an f1.5 aperture and HER-WDR technology for clear imaging under low light conditions. Connectivity is seamless through Wi-Fi and the Redtiger app, allowing instant access to footage, video editing, and sharing, fostering a sense of connection with loved ones. Equipped with GPS, the F7N Plus records real-time speed and location, enhancing the reliability of recorded incidents. Packed with features, backed by a 1-year warranty, the Redtiger F7N Plus is your steadfast road companion, priced at just $149. Presenting the Garmin 67W, a discreet guardian for your journeys. This pocket-sized dash camera, though unobtrusive on your windshield, boasts a powerful presence with its 1440p HD video recording and an expansive 180-degree lens capturing the nuances of your surroundings. Garmin Clarity HDR optics ensure crystal clear details, day or night, weaving your travel narratives into a vivid tapestry. This intuitive device responds to your voice commands in multiple languages, offering a seamless hands-free experience. The parking guard vigilantly watches over your parked vehicle, sending alerts if any suspicious activity is detected. With Wi-Fi connectivity, saved videos effortlessly sync to the secure online vault, allowing you to relive and share your adventures. Priced at $252, the Garmin 67W goes beyond a mere dash camera. Introducing the Biuone A20, a guardian on the road that goes beyond the ordinary. This dashcam is not merely a device but a travel companion. Its USB port ensures your mobile devices stay charged, adding a touch of convenience to your journeys. The 1080p Full HD resolution, coupled with an f1.8 aperture and WDR tech, captures every detail with breathtaking clarity, turning playback into a vivid experience on your dashcam or PC. Equipped with a 32GB SD card, the A20 boasts endless recording under the loop recording function, putting storage concerns to rest. The wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees front, 140 degrees rear, minimize blind spots, offering a comprehensive view of your surroundings. The G-sensor function, akin to a vigilant eye, automatically detects and locks crucial recordings for later retrieval. Simple plug-and-play operation, combined with a price tag of $53, makes the Biuone A20 an accessible yet sophisticated choice for those who seek reliability and innovation in a dash cam. Discover the Cobra SC400D, a marvel of automotive technology that transcends the ordinary dash cam experience. This device is not merely a witness to your journeys, it's a co-pilot with emotions. Boasting UHD video quality, the SC400D captures the essence of every drive, revealing intricate details in stunning 4K resolution. Alexa, seamlessly integrated, transforms your car into a smart haven, answering queries, playing music, and guiding you to your destination. Equipped with a rear-view accessory camera, the SC400D becomes your vigilant guardian, monitoring both front and rear views day and night. For an unparalleled driving perspective, add the optional cabin view accessory camera, capturing every angle simultaneously. Experience heads-up navigation for safer drives, with on-screen turn notifications ensuring you never miss a beat. Stay informed with exclusive live police alerts, providing real-time information on radar speed zones and camera locations. Elevate your driving experience with the new Drive Smarter app, solidifying the Cobra SC 400D as the epitome of innovation at $329. Say hello to the Rove R2 4K, a dash camera that transforms your driving experience into an immersive visual journey. With 4K Ultra HD recording, every moment on the road is captured in breathtaking detail, revealing a clarity and quality unmatched by other dash cams. The revolutionary Super Night Vision technology ensures crystal clear footage, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its 6-glass lens, f1.5 aperture, and Sony IMX335. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing instant access to dash cam recordings via the Rove app on your iOS and Android devices. Download 4K videos directly to your smartphone at lightning speed, sharing your adventures effortlessly with friends and family on social media. Navigate your driving route and speed accurately with the built-in GPS, viewable on Google Maps through Wi-Fi or the Rove app. Backed by a 1-year warranty, Rove R2 4K is not just a dash cam, it's a testament to cutting-edge technology and customer-centric care. Elevate your driving experience for just $119. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.